Hi, I'm Pattu from freefincal. So what you see on the screen here is a kind of a cash flow projection of our personal financial lives, and this kind of projection is something that I did in 2011, 12, and so on. I still have those projections with me, and this kind of helped me plan for my goals, create calculators, etc. So on the uh, first column you can see that's the year. So all you need to change here is the entries in the first row. So you just every year you need to come here and put that, change that to 2025, and the current year is 2025, and then the rest of the columns will change, rows will change. So you have the year, and then you have your current expenses. These expenses are the ones that will last until retirement for you, and I have inflated these expenses by 8% or so. You can change it by whatever you want. This is your post-tax salary, the mandatory contribution for retirement. Sorry about the typo in the retirement. um, this is your EPS contribution, employer contribution, everything added together. Then your independent investment for retirement, then any EMIs that you may have. And for example, I've indicated that the EMI will stop after at the end of 2027. Then your investment for children, etc., and any other entries that you want. You any other cash inflows and cash outflows that you may have, you just keep them in subsequent columns and you project it out into the future. And for example, at the time of retirement, you can say that the salary is come to zero, and then your expenses keep increasing, and you can add another column where you say your retirement income, and that income should match the expenses after retirement, and so on. So if you plan like this, you can have a much better visualization of your future. Of course, there are unknowns, which is why you should come every year and change this with fresh inputs. So all you need to do is change the entries in the first row, then all the subsequent entries will be projected. So you can create this very simple sheet on your own, and this is a very personal sheet. Please don't ask me for a copy of this, because every person's columns will change, and so you can do this. This will give you a much better picture of where you are and where you need to be. And this is how you can start building your own calculators if you're interested, and so on. So I strongly recommend everybody try this cash flow projection, and it will give them a very good perspective about their financial lives.